Whether you're looking to simplify your creative process, refine your prompts, consistent characters, or unlock advanced tools like remix, style references, and dynamic settings, this course has you covered. To get the most out of this guide and follow along, check out the link to Midjourney in the description below. By the end, you'll know how to create stunning visuals effortlessly and take your creativity to the next level. Let's get started with an overview. The new Midjourney website is a breath of fresh air for creators. If you've ever struggled with Discord's complex commands and cluttered interface, this streamlined platform is here to simplify your creative process and put the power of stunning image generation at your fingertips. Imagine this. You're typing "imagine" for the 100th time, trying to remember how to set the aspect ratio, and suddenly you think, there's got to be an easier way. Well, there is. Let's dive into why the Midjourney website is the tool you've been dreaming of. Spoiler alert, no more /imagine, just pure creativity. First, let's see how it simplified prompting. Here's why it's a total game changer. Now you can just type your prompt into the Create tab and hit Enter. Boom, done. In Settings, sliders let you adjust aspect ratio, stylization, and even chaos, aka the "let's see what happens," without needing to Google obscure commands. We'll dive deeper into this in a moment. To create a good Midjourney prompt, be clear and specific. Include the subject like a sleek, futuristic sports car, attributes such as golden accents, the environment. Think a mystical forest surrounded by glowing trees. And the style or mood, like cinematic lighting, vibrant and hyper-realistic. Use detailed yet concise descriptions to guide the AI and refine your prompts for the best results. And boom, here's the result. An incredible image that looks straight out of a dream, blending elegance, mystery, and pure creativity. Now let's move on to Midjourney's comprehensive features. Adjust the aspect ratio to fit your masterpiece. Portrait for Instagram, square for your profile pic, or landscape for your desktop wallpaper that screams, "I'm an artist." Advanced tools like Reframe, Remix, and Vary Region are just a click away. It's like upgrading from a flip phone to the latest smartphone. Don't worry, everything will be covered in detail in this tutorial. Now let's talk about effortless image uploads. First of all, it's important to understand that when an image is uploaded, the prompt associated with the image will automatically be used as the default setting. Option 1. Drag and drop an image from your Midjourney creations. This is like revisiting your greatest hits. Use an image you've already created in Midjourney as the foundation for your next masterpiece. Here's how. Go to the Create or Organize tab, pick your favorite image, and drag it straight into the prompt bar. Then, simply add a text prompt to refine or expand on it. For example, if you've already generated a wolf wearing Roman-style armor, but forgot to include the hat, just drop that image in and update the text prompt to "a wolf wearing Roman-style armor with a hat." Problem solved. Midjourney takes care of the rest. Why do this? It's perfect for refining details you missed or testing out new styles while keeping the essence of the original image. Think of it as giving your art that extra touch to make it truly complete. Option 2. Use an existing image from Midjourney's Explore tab. The Explore tab is your go-to for finding inspiration from the creative Midjourney community. Here's how. Search by keywords to quickly find what you're looking for, like wolves in Roman armor. Once you've found the perfect image, copy its URL or drag it into the prompt bar. Add your own text prompt to tweak or build on it. Why do this? It's perfect for experimenting with trending styles, learning new techniques, or reinterpreting incredible community creations in your unique way. Option 3. Drag and drop an image from your computer. Got a photo, a sketch, or even a meme on your computer that you want to transform? No problem. Here's how. Drag the file from your computer into the prompt bar. Then, combine it with a text prompt to let Midjourney work its magic. Why do this? This is amazing for personalizing your creations. Transform a simple photo into a fantasy scene, or reimagine your sketches as detailed digital art. It's also a great way to stay in control of your creative process. Option 4. Add a link to any image on the web. Skip the hassle of downloading and save storage space by using an image's URL directly from the web. Here's how. Find an image online that inspires you, like a beautifully pencil-drawn wolf. Copy the direct link, paste it into the prompt bar, and add your descriptive text to customize it further. Why do this? It's a convenient way to access endless inspiration, like unique pencil art you discover online, without the need to download or store the image. Perfect for public domain images, Creative Commons resources, or any amazing art you find on the web. Midjourney analyzes the visual elements, for example, composition, color palette, texture of the image, and combines them with your text prompt to create a new interpretation. The image serves as an anchor or reference, allowing for precise customization while still introducing creative variations based on the text input. Let's talk about style references. Steal, or should we say borrow, the vibe of your favorite aesthetics. Drag and drop your image, then select the style reference. The cool thing about Midjourney is you can use features like style reference, character reference, and image prompt, all from the same image. It's super easy, and honestly, better than Leonardo in this area. Just don't forget to hold down Shift when selecting your options. Okay, let's try this out for real. We're gonna make a super cool image of a sleek black cat dressed in pharaoh-like gold armor, holding an ankh-shaped sword with glowing eyes that scream ancient power. But here's the fun part. We're gonna borrow the style from a dragon. Yep. A dragon with crimson scales and this awesome fiery aura that lights everything up. Here's the easy part. Just click on the prompt you used, and like magic, it'll pop right into the what will you imagine. Then, make sure you pick the right options for your images. Easy peasy. And boom. The result? You can totally see the dragon's fiery vibe all over our black cat warrior. It's like the dragon said, "Hey, let me help you look epic." Here's a little bonus for you. I'm going to use the dragon image for both the style reference and the image prompt, and the only thing I'll keep, the text prompt for the black cat. Let's see what happens. As you can see, the dragon image totally dominates. Its composition, style, and everything else shine through. Now it's your turn. Play around with these two parameters and see what unique and amazing creations you can come up with. Did you notice? We didn't change anything on the dashboard. Stylization, weirdness, and variety all stayed at 0. That's because we're keeping it simple to see how style reference and image prompt interact. It's tricky at first, but this way, we can really figure out how to use them properly. All right, let's talk about keeping your character consistent in Midjourney. When you drag and drop your images, don't forget to select character reference for each one, because trust me, Midjourney isn't a mind reader. We used all 4 images of our character to ensure better accuracy. Pro tip, using multiple images helps maintain consistency. Then, simply describe your scene and let Midjourney do its work. For example, we had the warrior cat eating spaghetti, and the character stayed consistent. To improve further, you can add more details about the cat's eating posture, the type of spaghetti, or the overall dining scene. It'll make the result even more refined and engaging. Welcome to the Midjourney dashboard. At the top, you'll find the image size section, where you can toggle between portrait, square, and landscape formats to set the frame of your creation. Plus, the slider below lets you customize the ratio to fit your vision perfectly. Moving down, the model section lets you choose between standard mode for everyday use or raw mode for a cinematic feel. Select your desired version, like 6.1 here, and unlock personalization for tailored results. Personalization is a huge topic, and we'll dive deeper into it in upcoming videos, so don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. Finally, at the bottom, you'll find speed settings. Relax, fast, or turbo to control how quickly your images are generated. I recommend using fast. It's the perfect balance for quick and quality results. Let's have some fun testing stylization. First, we'll take our cat warrior prompt and set stylization to 0. Let's see what happens. Spoiler alert, it's going to be pretty basic. Then, we'll crank stylization all the way up and watch the magic unfold as our results transform into something extraordinary. Now check this out. With 0 stylization, the images are plain and stick strictly to the prompt. But when we max it out, boom, we get something stunning, creative, and totally unique. It's like our cat warrior just leveled up in style. Let's dive into weirdness. No need to set it to 0. Instead, we maxed it out to see how it pushes boundaries. With maximum weirdness, the results are wild and unpredictable. Our cat warrior transforms with surreal elements like glowing eyes, abstract styles, and unique designs. It's perfect for bold, imaginative ideas that prioritize creativity over consistency. Let's explore variety. First, we'll test it at maximum to see how it pushes creative diversity, giving us wildly different versions of our cat warrior. Then, we'll set it to 50 to find a balanced approach. At maximum, the results are extremely diverse, offering fresh and unique takes. Even at 50, we still see a good level of diversity, proving it's a great option for those wanting variety while keeping some consistency. Let's dive into the Vary option. This powerful feature lets you tweak your creation with either subtle or strong changes. With subtle, The adjustments are small but impactful, like refining gold patterns, textures, or minor armor details. These tweaks enhance the design while keeping its essence intact. Now for strong, things get exciting. This option completely reimagines your creation, changing weapons, poses, and clothing designs. Each variation feels fresh and unique, giving bold new takes on your original concept. Whether it's minor tweaks or a full creative overhaul, the very option is your key to endless possibilities. It's talk upscale. With subtle, details are sharper, textures refined, and the design stays true to the original. Now check out creative. It reimagines your artwork with bold lighting and a dramatic touch. Whether it's precision or transformation, Upscale takes your creations to the next level. Let's dive into remix mode. Remix subtle. We aimed for steampunk, gears, pipes, and a steam-powered blade. The result? A polished version of the original with extra detail, but no real steampunk vibes. Remix strong. This one went bold. The enchanted forest came to life with vines, flowers, and mystical lighting. While the crystal blade was missing, the overall transformation captured the magical vibe beautifully. Verdict: if you want safe refinements, go subtle. But for a creative reimagining, Remix Strong steals the show. Let's talk about pan in Midjourney. It's like giving your image a little nudge to explore new perspectives. These 4 arrows, up, down, left, and right, let you shift the frame of your image in any direction. Want to reveal what's just out of frame? Pan up for more sky, down for ground details, or left and right to expand the scene. It's perfect for adjusting your composition or uncovering hidden parts of your creative vision. So, with just a click, Pan gives you the power to explore and refine your image with ease. Let's talk zoom in Midjourney. Use 1.5x or 2x to expand your image, revealing more of the scene while keeping the focus intact. Perfect for adding context or enhancing composition. Let's talk about the editor. This tool lets you resize your image and make detailed edits. There's a lot you can do here with plenty of tricks to explore. I'll have a dedicated video coming soon to guide you through all the creative possibilities. Stay tuned for some exciting surprises. The new Midjourney website isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution for creators. Say goodbye to frustrating workflows and hello to a platform that puts your ideas front and center. Whether you're making art for fun or for your next big project, Midjourney offers tools that are as powerful as they are easy to use. If this guide sparked some inspiration, show your support with a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and share your favorite creations in the comments. Until next time, stay creative and keep pushing boundaries. See you in the next video.